Garage door mic. I'm going to show you a Harman door, 16 by 6'9", 4250 with a jack shaft. Okay, we did this one here, 6'9", and we left the 7-foot verticals. So it goes up an extra 3, then put 15s. So this goes up pretty high up there. Spring system. All the heavy hardware. 11 gauge hardware, nylon ball wheels, pinch resistant, urethane. Goes up nice and smooth and quiet. Okay, I'm going to come down with the door. I have to, must have a bum bulb in there or something. Yeah, something loose in there. But you could see the Harman's got the wrapper still on there. And we decided to go 6'9" so you could see more of the panel, which I like. The 7-foot, we brought that extra panel just in case. But you could see here, you could see the, once we pull that wrapper off, you're going to see that top section a lot nicer. That's a good one. Got the trim over there and the grass. 16 6'9" Harman urethane with the jack shaft opener. Innovative door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook and Google. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button and the like button. Drop a comment, drop a like, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Nice. I'm really liking these 8500 W's for the battery backup in there. I really like those. You can see the old panels right there. Or not the old panel, the other panel. So there's the other panel. We always like to bring 2 if we can on these questionable openings. Some of these older openings around town here. There are a lot of 6'10", 6'10 and a halves, and you put a 7-footer, you're overlapping 2 inches, inch and a half, 2 inches, and then you throw the weather strip on, it's another 2 inches. It looks terrible. This looks way better. That's why you call us and not them. 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.